Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a choreo. First, deeply listen to your chosen music, understanding its rhythm, tempo, and emotional journey. This foundational step is crucial for inspiring authentic movement. Identify distinct musical phrases, perhaps 8 counts each, that will guide your initial movement ideas. Start with simple, core steps, then gradually layer in more intricate movements. This methodical approach ensures a strong, cohesive dance piece from the very beginning. Next, dive into crafting your unique movements. Experiment with diverse qualities, like sharp or fluid and dynamics, such as strong or light. Explore all 3 levels, high, middle, and low, and utilize various directions and pathways across the space. Remember to create seamless transitions between each movement. Smooth connections are vital for maintaining flow and making your choreography feel natural and engaging for the audience. Now, let's structure your choreography effectively. Organize your movements into clear sections, perhaps 4 to 8 counts each, forming distinct phrases. Every piece needs a compelling beginning, a developing middle, and a satisfying end. Thoughtfully incorporate repetition of key movements to create impact, but also introduce variations to keep the audience engaged. This thoughtful arrangement builds a cohesive and memorable dance experience. Finally, it's time to refine and perform your choreo. Practice diligently to achieve precise timing and sharp execution of every movement. Seek constructive feedback from trusted peers or mentors. An outside perspective can offer invaluable insights for improvement. When you perform, do so with genuine confidence and passion. Connect with your audience, sharing the story and emotion of your dance, making it a truly impactful experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.